Bataan Peninsula State University. Yon, sagutan natin to. Which of the following activities reflect primary prevention in school health nursing? Letter A, screening for malnutrition. Letter B, monitoring school population for signs of measles during outbreak. Letter C, conducting an information drive on healthy eating habits and regular exercise. Or letter D, applying first aid to a student who sustained cut during a cooking class. What is your answer? Are you sure? Ano ang letter A? Primary, secondary, tertiary? Ang letter B, monitoring for measles. Pag sinabi natin monitoring, case finding ba yon?